Well, a little rainy this morning, but nonetheless an exciting day. There's sand under there for the putting green. I'd been storing some sand underneath the trampoline, brought it out to dry, and it rained. So that's good. The putting green is looking really good, filling in very nicely. It's getting long in some areas. I want to start cutting it. We're running out of time for the season. It's starting to get cold already. Got some rain that's come through, like I said. But I want to start mowing this. So I need a mower. And I have acquired a mower. So I'm gonna go pick that up. I want to have a mower just for the putting green. And I have acquired a mower. So I'm gonna go pick that up. Very excited about it. It is a mower. If you've been watching lawn care YouTube, you may recognize this mower, which is also pretty exciting. And yeah, got about an hour drive to go pick it up. Let's go get it. There it is, John Deere 180B 16-inch reel mower. And if you are familiar with Oncology, John Perry, Brett's Grasscapades, you've seen this mower before. I'm gonna take it to my place and get some good use out of it. By the way, John's green is coming along very nicely.
This is your on-off switch.
Thank you.
You need one of those. It's very important.
Yes.
All right. Super important. So this was to be the buffer for the old drive. The
Yeah, I
clutch drive.
ordered a new one.
Yeah, so see, I would just do that. I just pull that up and let it set, and that's how that would go.
Okay.
But I don't think you need that anymore. This is probably go in the garbage. Junk. Other than that, everything on this thing is as any mower should be.
Working.
So, regular stuff. Clutch, or I'm sorry, choke. Fire, already ran. This is throttle. Straight forward. And really, you've got to keep it like, it's, I don't know if it's the belts, but you're gonna want to run it pretty high RPM because it'll just die when you go forward. So keep that in mind when you're mowing with it. And then otherwise, it's just drive. Like this thing kicks in. So you got to pull on that lever.
Yeah.
And then it goes. This will engage your reel when the belt's working. But it cuts nice and it'll do what you need to. Nothing to it.
How many blades are on the reel?
This one I think has 11.
11?
Yeah.
Perfect.
It cuts really nice, actually. Really good.
I'm excited.
It's not so bad.
This will be great. Thank you.
Great.
It'll be great.
I love it.
It'll be great. So it is home, it is off the truck, and I can give you a little bit closer look about what needs doing before I can actually get it out on the putting green and use it. So the nice thing is I have pretty much everything I need here. Grass catcher, which is really nice, and like I mentioned earlier, the bail that sits here, the second handle that you squeeze against the main handle, has broken. I've ordered a new one. I just need to go pick it up. So I will go pick that up and install this. And then, as John mentioned, the belt, one of the belts under here is broken. I have ordered replacement belts for that too. So other than that, it should be good to go. I'm gonna give it a wash, clean it up, personalize it a little bit, and it should be ready to go. I'm excited. It is ready for a cut. It needs to be cut something bad. We've had some rain today. Like I said, I've got to get the parts and get this mower cleaned up, but it is ready for a cut. I'm gonna start things out at a 1/2 inch back here and work my way down from there. It needs to be top dressed, it needs to be smoothed out in some areas. But as far as growing goes, big thumbs up. So that's the next step, but I did want to just show you that I have a mower to mow this with. And as far as next steps go, I'm gonna be working on a collar and seeing how that turns out, and start taking this outer edge of bluegrass down, and that will kind of help with the collar and should be good to go from there. So that's gonna wrap it up for me. I'm gonna go mow everything else and take care of that. The next video, or a future video, should be the first of many mows on the new putting green. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.